Good afternoon. My name is Chris. I'm one of the lead service technicians here at Regal USA. Today we're going to be discussing the cleaning procedures for the glass on a 1560 series instrument. Keeping scanner windows clean is crucial. Dirty windows can lead to poor data quality, affecting accuracy and reliability. Regular cleaning is vital for optimal performance. We recommend inspecting the window after every flight, cleaning the scanner window anytime there's noticeable buildup and at the end of a collection day. This maintenance helps prolong the life of your equipment. For this cleaning procedure, you will need no or low lint cotton pads, glass cleaner, we recommend Walter FT100, acetone of a high quality reagent grade, isopropyl alcohol, paper towels or microfiber cloth, and optionally, Kim wipes. Before starting, ensure the scanner is turned off and unplugged for safety. Clean the tube of the scanner, focusing on the areas around the glass with isopropyl alcohol on a paper towel or microfiber cloth. First pass on the glass cleaning should be done with any traditional glass cleaner. For cleaning the glass, care should be always taken to only wipe in one direction at a time and only wipe once per side of the cotton pad. For cases where the glass cleaner does not remove all oil, acetone can be used. Any remaining film can be removed with Kim wipes. Thank you for watching. Following these steps will help maintain your scanner window and ensure optimal performance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out. Don't forget to consult the applicable Regal documentation for your specific sensor model.